Hello, this is Chinmay from Oxy Ultimate. In this video, I shall show you how we shall use the Fluent Form styler component. These days, Fluent Form plugins is very popular for WP forms, and this plugin is very lightweight. So I shall suggest that you will try this Fluent Form plugin. It have all kind of functionalities. On my original site I am using this plugin for payment gateway option. You can see that I added the payment gateway and integrated the PayPal, and it is going to directly to the PayPal address and you will pay the order. Okay, so right now I created a form with Fluent Form plugin. This is my form, and I open the Oxygen builder. Next, here is my form, Fluent Form styler. This component only appear here when you have the Fluent Form plugins, otherwise it will not show here. Okay, now I am adding the Fluent Form styler on the page. You will select the form first, so I am selecting my form. Okay, this is my form. Here I almost complete the full Fluent Form fields here, so I think that you can quickly and easily customize the default design from directly Oxygen builder editor. Okay, first I add the form wrapper section. Here you can set up the background color, add the border color, border radius, some padding like 40. You can also set up the margin depending on your design. Okay, I am going to the advanced tab and adding some extra background. Okay, so I am showing that how margin is working here. Okay, next we shall control the form label like aesthetics color. Here I have any aesthetics, like here I have aesthetics, so we can change the aesthetics color. Here it is changing. Next we can adjust the typography like font size, font color, font weight, okay. Next we can style the input fields like padding, margin, bottom, so it will add the gap between the input field and the label like 20, adding the gap. Text area height 200, input field background color, okay, focus background color, focus text color, placeholder color, border color, border width, solid, dash, dotted, dash, okay. Next, checkbox and radio. We can use the okay, here is the radio buttons and checkbox. Text color, we can the label color like this. Next, font size, okay. We can adjust the field margin and label margin like 20 and set up the position. Next, we can elaborate the smart UI, okay. Okay, font size this, and first I am setting the width, okay. Next, I am adding the here it should be, and right padding. I do not need this right now. We shall adjust the level space so it will center align, okay. Shall add 18 the gap. Here is the width, and we can set up the background image like checked. So check background colors is default background colors, or we can leave it. We just add the border width, okay. There it is. So you can also style the checkbox and radio buttons. Next, here the settings, okay. Next is file upload field. So as it is here, we can design the file upload field. Section break, I add the section, 1 second. Here is my section, so I can add the background color for section. Adding the padding, margin, section title color, then font weight, font family, okay. Next, section description, so, and description size. Here are the border, we can disable the border like this, or add the border and set up the border color. Basically, we shall use this and it will look like this, okay. Next, we shall design the net promoter score field. Maybe I did not add this field, try, okay. So I shall add this field, uncheck the promoter field. I am adding it here, saving the form. Next I am just applying the click from button. Okay, here it is. Now I can style it, sublabel, color. Okay. Next the background color, border color. Okay, border width if you want, or 1. Also I can remove this 0. Okay, so this. Next I can add the hover background color. So you can see this. Okay. Hover border color, hover border width. You can see this is the color. So I am reducing it and it will look like this. Next number color. Okay, hover number color. Okay, checked background color, like I select this and it will select it. This way or this. Check number color. Okay, I think it is not working right now. Okay, I shall fix this problem. Okay, this is the current things. Next, payment summary. So it have payment summary. Let's check it. No, it have not payment summary section, so I shall add it. Payment payment field D. Okay, so saving it. Now I am pushing this. Okay, this is payment summary. We can change the background color. We can change the outer border color, border width, table head color, then border color. Okay, border width, text color, font weight, font size. Next, table body, border color, border width, okay, then footer color, this way, then total price size, total text font size, text font color, here it is, and price color also. So you can adjust this way, you can design the payment summary. Okay, next app progress bar. Okay, progress bar means this progress bar. So you should select the progress indicator proper way. If in form settings you select the progress bar, then you should select the progress bar. If you select the step, then you select the steps. So first I am using the progress bar. Here we can change the label color, font size, font weight, progress bar color, progress bar active color, okay, progress bar height. This very interesting things I added, so you can change the height, but here is percentage, you can't see the percentage, so I added the position option. So, and progress bar is color visible, here is percentage coming. Now I am adjusting the position top and position left. So see this, you can also add the font size. So this is very cool features. Font weight, also we shall add the gap between this section, so I am adding the margin bottom. Okay, progress bar, this is okay. Here is some problem, this will not come in this field, it will come up step section, so maybe I created some problem in the condition. So when I shall release the latest version, I shall fix this problem. Okay, this is the progress bar settings. Now I shall show the step things. So I am selecting the steps and clicking on the save button. Next I am going to apply parents button. Now here it is, I am going to progress bar section, selecting the steps, adding the margin already here, square box, so I can change the width like this, border radius here, or circle, then border width. Don't worry about the text right now, we shall adjust this, and active color, okay, with the square box. Now horizontal line position, so we can change the position, we can change the width, color. Okay, same way. The position is this. Okay, and same way active color. This is just two step. This is that reason is not working right now, but when you will more steps, add the more steps, then it will work. Next, I am adding this, setting the step number color. So now you can see this line height 2, so it is center align. .5. Okay, active color, so we can design this way. This is for the label. Actually I did not add the label, so adding the label right here. Wait, my step 1, my step 2, and saving the form. Next, okay, this is the label. We can change the label color also. Font size like this way. Okay, now I am changing the border radius and keeping this, so it is looking like very nice. Next, we can design the submit button. We can design the submit button like just giving the demo one. Here it is, so you can see that it's changing. Next, the next and prep button. This is this for this. So previous button, we shall select this option. Okay, you can see that it's changing. Okay, going to next button. Same way we can design for the next button. So this way you can design your form. Then validation error color like, okay, check. So when validation, so this is the error is coming. For this we'll handle from this section. You can see that color is changing. Then font size, here is the font size, and success message. When form is submitting, you are showing the success message, so you can style that section also. So this is my Fluent Form style component, and I think that I already cover up all the fields and all the styles. You can see that some bugs are here, so I fixed it in my next version. Thank you for watching my component.